So since we're still inside because of the snow and the roads, I'm still cooking. So I wanted to share with you some Sopa Fideo. They're different shapes noodles. I call all of them Sopa. I like specifically the Fideo and basic ingredients. This is very cheap, very warm, very comforting. I have a big family. This is where I put a twist on mine. You don't have to put that in there. And I'm out of cumin, so we're just going to use what we have. So you just heat up some olive oil or whatever oil that you prefer. Pour the bag in there. If you're just one or two people, one is plenty. One bag is plenty. But we're not. We're more. So we're going to use 2 bags. And this works perfect for our family. 2 bags. And I still got snow cake on my stove, so just ignore that. But just saute this till it's brown. Add your French onion. 3 bottles of water. Make sure you use 3. Make sure your pot's big enough. About a tablespoon. Give or take. Whoop, that's enough. And about a teaspoon. Give or take. It don't have to be perfect. Gently give that a little mix. And a couple of dashes of each of these seasonings, depending on your preference taste. And don't forget cumin, but I don't have any. And I forgot about the garlic, but the garlic salt, or regular garlic powder, or whole garlic, it's just whatever you prefer. The tomatoes and the parsley. And your salt, just however much you like. And then give it a little stir, not too much. It's really best after you get it mixed to really not touch it at all. But mine's not mixed yet. And a little bit of your rotel. I love hatch green chilies, but I'm out. And my whole family does not like tomatoes or chilies, so I just use a little bit. Just whatever your family prefers. It don't have to be a lot. Or you can use a whole can. And after you give it a little exercise, by a few more stirs to get it, just mixed up. Taste it. If that's the way you like it, it's done. Bring it to a boil just for a minute and then just sit and let it simmer until the noodles are soft. And it's done. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long at all. And you just enjoy a hot bowl of it. So delicious. So I also did some bread to go with the Sopa, fresh bread. I have a video on the bread if you want to know how to do it. It's the no knead 3-ingredient bread. So no need to knead, so you don't want to do this too much. But this is just so good when it's done. Dip it in the bowl of Sopa. Just a little bit, not too much. Then put it in your hot Dutch oven that you got out of the oven. 450 for 30 minutes. Anyway, thank you for watching, and enjoy some bread and Sopa and some hot coffee on a snow day. Bye-bye.